This beautiful pendulum is made from carnelian. I boosted its energy with a labradorite gemstone, and it is wrapped in a sacred wire weave with the signature puff heart. It is attached by a sterling silver lobster clasp to a 7-chakra chain that can be removed, so you can wear this pendulum as a pendant. That way you have your pendulum at all times with you. The fob consists of carnelian, denim lapis, garnet, jade, ocean jasper, and more garnet. Isn't it a beauty? It'll be on my website, pendulumpixie.com, and it'll be on Etsy and Facebook.